All right, my friends, welcome back to another daily work from home job lead. This is Lindsay, and this channel, if you're new here, is all about finding the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you're new and you're not subscribed, make sure you do that if you never want to miss out on another job lead opportunity. But today's job lead is from the receipt scanning app Fetch. I know most of you have probably heard of it before. They give you points and cash back when you scan your shopping receipts, like grocery receipts and things like that. If you buy certain products and all of that, it's one of those cashback point receipt scanning apps. They are hiring a receipt quality manager. Now, this is remote for the United States. Of course, if you want to put that application in, this page is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. From time to time, I like to share leadership like supervisor and manager positions, because these positions, and this one specifically, do not require any kind of college degree, and they pay really well. You can absolutely advance your career and move up into leadership and management without any college degree. I have personally done that myself in the healthcare field. And so I just thought I would share. So as far as what a receipt quality manager for Fetch would be doing, it says in order to reward their users for items purchased, they have to make sure they accurately identify the products on the scanned receipt. And so the quality manager is basically that, making sure that the quality of the receipt scanning process and the receipts themselves are good to go. So you're going to be assessing and scoring the quality of their receipt reading process and helping improve the processes as needed. And you'll create answer keys to difficult to read receipts. So you're basically going to be reviewing those receipts and creating those answer keys on how they should be read. Now, if this sounds like something you want to look into, they are looking for somebody who is enthusiastic about Fetch, who has experience leading people. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years or more of leadership experience doing performance reviews, coaching, or delegating. So maybe even if you worked in retail, you were a team lead and you delegated duties to other people, or if you've been in the supervisor or management field before. They need somebody who is proficient in those Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or the Google equivalents, Gmail, Google Docs, all of those types of things. And they need somebody who can leverage complex data sets and partner with cross-functional product and tech partners. So somebody who can really take a spreadsheet loaded down with data, maybe do some pivot tables, sort it out, and kind of analyze that data and know how to identify trends, issues, that sort of thing. They want somebody who is a fast learner and a problem solver. Now, they are paying very well for this position. This pays anywhere from $78,000 a year all the way up to $90,000 a year. And of course, it comes with that standard benefit package that includes 401k with a match, paid time off, health insurance, all the things. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, because I do read those. And if you have any suggestions on how I could make this channel or these job leads more helpful for you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.